I'm Teresa. I'm from Mexico. I've been in Guilin 14 years, and I am in the East-West Street. So today we're gonna play a game here in Guilin. I'm gonna ask the people to try to guess what is in this box, and if they guess, then I'm going to give them the gift. This is like a cake, a Chinese cake. It's made out of a flower. It's a very special flower, and the name is osmanthus. Is the English name, okay? And they make tea with this, and they make cake, and they make candy. They make lots of things with it. Everything that you can eat or smell. Or they also make perfumes with it. So it's a traditional thing that they also give when somebody comes to Guilin and you want to give them a gift originally from this place. Okay, so that's it. Come with me. 就是你们要猜这里有什么东西。如果你们猜得对的，我就送给你们。I'm just telling them. I'm telling them to check what is in here, to guess what is in here, and if they guess, I will give them the prize. Okay? 是一个龟苓画，就是有一个画，很特色。你们说一个茶，你们也说蛋糕，你们也很香。桂花糕。啊，对呀，他都说的对的，桂花糕，耶，送你了。桂花糕 ，yes， 哇耶，他说的对的，耶，
这个是苹果在里面吗？
没有苹果，
橡皮沙？
什么？
橡皮沙
？No，
桂花吗？
桂花，对呀，耶 ，finally， 谢谢，你看一下。这里很特色的桂花糕，桂花糕耶，好吧，送你了一个礼物，桂花糕。So this is the kumquat. Kumquat is another gift they have here in China, especially here in Guilin. They have in the Yangshuo region where they have the biggest rice terraces. They also have the biggest fields of kumquat. The kumquat, they use it here in China as a medicine for the throat, like Chinese medicine for the throat. And they also give it as a gift in the New Year because it's for good luck and prosperity. And they put some trees of this, they put it on the door to have like a prosperity and a good luck when they open a new business. And also in the Chinese New Year, they also put it on the door for the having prosperity and luck. So this one is actually like it's like a small orange, right? And you can even eat it like that. So this one is also delicious. I love it. It's not so sweet, but you can eat the peel off. You can eat it too. Yeah, it's really good. 这个是你们中国人用的是可塑之料，是圆圆的金黄色的
橘子，
这也是差不多了。
橙子，
金桔，
耶！送你们。Hello， 你好。如果你们猜一猜这里有什么东西，我就给你们一个礼物。如果你们开业的时候，我也看过，开业的时候在门口也放一个树林，有很多是吧？一年的时候我也看过，对，这是哪里的意思了？
金元宝
，no， 还有
金桔，
对，记住了，送给你们记住了啊！
真的呀？
对呀，这样收到了吗？啊，
谢谢，
好，谢谢。